In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine lines in AutoCAD. This skill is incredibly useful when you find yourself needing to merge separate line segments into a single continuous shape. So let's dive right in. Imagine a situation where you have a closed shape on your screen, but when you click on one of its sides, only the line of that specific side gets selected. This can cause some confusion, especially if you are looking to manipulate or modify the entire shape as a single entity. Not to worry though, because AutoCAD has a straightforward solution for this scenario. What we'll do is utilize the join command, a feature designed specifically to coalesce multiple lines into a unified shape. Here's how you can achieve that. Begin by selecting all the individual lines that constitute your shape. You can do this by clicking on each line while holding the Shift key, which allows you to select multiple lines simultaneously. Make sure that every line forming the shape is highlighted, ensuring they're all included in the selection. Once you've made your selection, your next step is to head to the command line at the bottom of the screen. Type in the word join, and then hit the Enter key. AutoCAD processes this command, and voila, it knits the separate lines together into a seamless, single outline. You'll instantly notice that now, clicking on any part of the shape selects the entire structure, rather than just one segment of it. A quick tip here is to always double-check that all lines are connected at their endpoints before you use the join command, because if there's any gap, the tool might not work as intended. It's also worth noting that this method is particularly helpful, not just for visual tidiness, but also when you're preparing a drawing for technical purposes, like CNC cutting or 3D modeling, where a continuous line is required. By leveraging the join command, you are utilizing one of AutoCAD's most efficient tools to improve your workflow and ensure your drawing integrity is maintained. That's all there is to it. With just a few simple clicks and a command, you can transform separate lines into a cohesive, unified shape, affording you greater control and flexibility in your AutoCAD projects. Happy drafting, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.